Hola, Mrs. Vaz here with instructions for today. Today, we are going to start with our first stamp. Remember that paper? Okay, so we're going to start with our first stamp for the warm-ups. So you're going to your actividad inicial and it says, go to the photo and answer the question. A photo is a discussion. And when you see photo here, it has a link. So you click on the link and it's going to take you here. To reply to this question, to respond this question, you click reply and then you type your answer here. Then you say pause reply and your comment or your answer is going to be here. Okay? So I should be able to see everybody's response right here. All right, let me delete this one so you don't have that response there. Don't copy. And back to the plan. Once we have there, you're going to find this instructional video that I'm recording right now. You're going to find it here in case that you are absent from class and so on. And today's activity is called Why Study Spanish. And for this activity, we're going to watch a video about the importance of learning a language. When you click here, it's going to take you to your Google form. If you were in my class before, you'll know that I give you points when you answer this question correctly. Oh, well, that's easy, Mrs. Bass. That's just my name. That's right. But it says last and then first name. So you have to start with your last name and then put your first name. Okay? Don't forget, because if you don't have it right, then I don't give you 10 points. Then you're going to check your grade level. If you are not sure what your grade level is, which one of these you need to check, just ask me and I'll do it. Okay? And then you're going to have some questions before you watch the video. So you have 1, 2, and 3 questions that you need to answer before you watch your video. And then there's the video. If this video does not work for you, I also put the link for the video right here. Because sometimes the videos don't work in the form, but you still have it right here at the end. You're going to complete that form. When you complete the form, you click submit. You need to complete it all. And then there are 3 more questions after this with the next. And then you're going to submit the form. You do not need to submit anything on Canvas because I will check this activity on the form. If you have any questions, again, you let me know. You can email me, you can ask me during class, and I'll be glad to help you. I'll see you. Hasta pronto.